Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting content lined up for you, and you definitely don't want to miss any of it. Today, I've got a delightful treat for you. We're making a delicious strawberry milkshake in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. This is perfect for those times when you need a quick pick-me-up or a refreshing drink to cool down. Are you ready? Let's dive in. This recipe is super simple and requires just a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. All right, here's what you'll need. 1 cup of fresh strawberries hulled. Make sure to pick the ripest and juiciest strawberries for the best flavor. 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. The creaminess of the ice cream is what makes this milkshake so indulgent. 1/2 cup of milk. You can use whole milk, almond milk, or whatever you prefer. Each type of milk will give a slightly different flavor and texture, so feel free to experiment. 1 tablespoon of sugar. This adds just the right amount of sweetness to balance the tartness of the strawberries. Whipped cream and a fresh strawberry for garnish. Optional, but highly recommended. The whipped cream adds a lovely touch of decadence, and the fresh strawberry makes it look so pretty. Okay, first things first, grab your blender. A good blender will make all the difference in achieving that perfect, smooth texture. Add in the cup of fresh strawberries. These little red gems are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Fun fact, strawberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They're great for your skin and overall health. Next, scoop in that scrumptious vanilla ice cream. Oh, look at that creamy goodness. The ice cream is what makes this milkshake so rich and satisfying. Now pour in your 1/2 cup of milk. This helps to blend everything together smoothly. This is what makes it nice and smooth. And finally, sprinkle in the tablespoon of sugar to sweeten things up just a bit. You can adjust the amount of sugar based on your taste preference. Pop the lid on your blender and blend it all up until smooth. Make sure everything is well combined and there are no chunks left. This should take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your blender. While it's blending, you can do a little happy dance or just savor the sweet aroma filling your kitchen. The smell of fresh strawberries and vanilla is simply irresistible. All right, once it's all mixed to perfection, go ahead and pour your milkshake into a tall glass. Oh yes, look at that beautiful pink color. Now, for the finishing touch, add a swirl of whipped cream on top and garnish with a fresh strawberry. This not only makes it look amazing, but also adds an extra layer of flavor. And there you have it. A delicious strawberry milkshake made in just 3 minutes. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Take a sip and enjoy. You deserve this little treat. It's creamy, refreshing, and bursting with strawberry flavor. Each sip is like a taste of summer, perfect for a quick treat any time of the day. Whether it's a hot afternoon or a cozy evening, this milkshake is always a good idea. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Share it with your friends so they can enjoy it too. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. We can't wait to see you again with another delicious recipe.